Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Today, I am going to talk about a prominent personality of the Indian modern Indian history, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. You know the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar full name of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He is one of the most prominent personality in the Indian history just because of the struggle he faced, the problems and the issues in his life. One of the most there are many issues he faced. There are many problems he faced just because of the Indian hierarchy or Indian caste system, which is only available only in the India, not in the other countries. However, he grew up, he faced that, and and uh, and they and they tackle all kind of issues and grow up, and even he crossed the limits of the Indian territories. He goes beyond the India and goes up to the USA, UK, and so many other countries to read the other kind of cultures. He read economics, administration, and so many kind of degrees. He have almost, so many person says he has around 32 degrees. Some says some less, or some say some more. I think one of the most important person in our Indian history. You can see there are no person equivalent to him, because he live only 64 to 65 years of life, and in this small lifespan he has around 32 degrees. So can you imagine the power of and the intellect mindset of that person? So that's the person I'm talking about. He is the only person who was recommended by the Mahatma Gandhi to constitute the Constitution of India. You know the value of the Constitution. You cannot imagine the level of the mindset required to constitute the Constitution, just because, if you want to make a rule in your life and you want to follow that rule in your life, you can think how many factors affect because of that one factors you want to achieve. So now you can imagine the size of the India. You can imagine the diversity inside the India. You can imagine the different kind of problems that time was existing, and some of them are still existing. So among the all of these situations, he was one of the persons who can calculate each and every factor, and can make such kind of basic and lay the foundation of such kind of rules, rule book that affect the Indian next upcoming years. And he was one of the visionary guy, I can say. You cannot imagine someone if make some rule or regulation, there are multiple persons come across and come against the ruling parties of India, and they want some changes. You can see the last time we have faced a challenge by Kisan Andolans. You can imagine how many farmers came across India and come across the India just to demolish the rules and regulations the government of India was making. Now you are just looking only one. Now think about the whole constitution of the India. There are more than 370 articles. There are fundamental rights. There are fundamental rules, fundamental duties of Indian peoples, and there are many more. You don't know the distribution of power between the center and the state. You even don't know the how the president is elected, nominated, or someone is elected, nominated, selected. You don't know even the institutional institutions like election commission of India. You don't know about the Supreme Court, and their hierarchy, like Supreme Court, then High Court, then district courts, then distribution of that these all those courts for the session court, and one is the normal court, or something else. The name is there. I am forgetting that name. So you can imagine the power of mindset of that person who lay the foundation, who draft the Constitution of India. You cannot imagine, because just reading a book, it becomes very difficult for you to read out a complete book, and remember each and every fact you have read that last time. Now imagine a person who read a lot of books, a lot of constitutions of different countries, and bring the best facts from them, from their. There are various countries from where Dr. B.R. Ambedkar brings many best things. So you just imagine the power of that person. You just imagine the mindset of that person. You just imagine the visionary level of that person who lay the foundation of around hundred years of foundation. You just think the level of imagination, the level of factors that will come in the future for that person. At the time of 1940 46, he 46 to it was a long time. Even I don't think it is a discussion time. For that, a constitution assembly was made up just to constitute the constitution for the all over India. The main goal of the B.R. Ambedkar was to eliminate the discrimination from the India, because he was the one of the person who was well known and well aware with the one fact that when there were a second world war, he was well aware the the India is going to fail in one thing. Here is a discrimination and the mass level of persons. The a big population of the Indian society is uneducated, illiterate, and they are under the trap of the various caste, culture, traditions, norms, values, rules, and regulations, which are just made which are just made up by the higher classes for their benefits only. So he understood the one thing: if you, if half of the body is paralyzed and the half of body is good, the person is not fit. But at the same time, other countries were growing. They were growing in the term of economics, in the term of finance, in the name of technology. So the main objective and main dream of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was to set up such kind of constitution that give equal opportunities, equal fraternities, equal freedom, and equality in all the cases to all the persons of the Indian society, so that everyone and each and everyone, does not matter he or she, that is man or woman, they don't care about any one of them. They care about each and everyone. I don't know why persons think he is bad just because of the reservations. There are many factors. That is a reservations reason, because if the person is saying I am fit, even he has a paralyzed hand and paralyzed leg, or half of the body is paralyzed, he is not a fit person. This is the truth. A person that is below to him can easily fight and can easily eliminate such kind of person. So the main objective of the B.R. Ambedkar, just to make such kind of nation where everyone is equal, everyone have the equal opportunities, and everyone grow, and if everyone grow, the nation will automatically grow. So he was well aware with all these factors. And thank you so much.